Welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to change the name on your map and add any notes that you need. You'll find this in your map settings, the gear on the left side of your map. Click this open. You'll find the name of your map and your description. Changing the name is just as simple as typing in the new name and hitting tab or just clicking anywhere outside of that, and we'll see it change here. You can add a description. This is completely optional. And then again, just tab or click outside of it. And that's how you edit your name on your map and add any notes that you need. If you want to remove those notes, just simply remove them and click outside. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.